guys, today it's Super Bowl Sunday. So to celebrate the Super Bowl, we have got a box of 2018 Panini Limited Football. So we will get 3 hits, and fingers crossed they're good. We get 3 packs, so we will get a hit in every pack, 5 cards per pack. Let's hop in. Okay, so I hope the Rams win the Super Bowl, since, it's the 3rd time in a row the Patriots have shown up to the Super Bowl. So, just glad they lost against the Eagles. Kenny Galladay. Robbie Anderson, numbered out of 49. And then our hit is our patch, numbered out of 99, Nyheim Hines, rookie Phenoms. So that's pretty cool. The good thing is that was our patch and not one of our autographs. Julian Edelman, whose team should have lost to Patrick Mahomes' Chiefs. But they lost because of the coin toss. Okay, now let's get our autographs. Okay, we have a Kenyan Drake, Andrew Luck, and then our autograph is a numbered at 60, Dolan Dawkins, rookie card for the Tennessee Titans. Dalen Dawkins, maybe? I think. Then Greg Olsen and Alvin Kamara. Okay, final pack, final autograph. Who will it be? Alshon Jeffrey, Deshaun Watson, and our autograph for the Baltimore Ravens, numbered out of 60, Lamar Jackson autograph patch. So yeah, that one is pretty cool. That's my favorite card. The Lamar Jackson rookie card autograph patch. And then we have Matthew Stafford and Leonard Fournette. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below which was your favorite card. Mine was definitely the Lamar Jackson, numbered out of 60. Comment down below, who are you rooting for to win the Super Bowl? Sign out for now. See ya!